all of you, good morning. Today we are going to discussing about topic is system of the circles. What is a system? How to define of the system of the circles will be discussed. Already we have discussed system of the circles. The basic knowledge of the circles already we have discussed. Circles is nothing but set of points on a plane equal distance of center point to on the plane of the circles. This is called as a circles. Now we'll be discuss the system of the circles. What is the definition of the system of the circles will be discussed. Here given this in this diagram, this x comma y axis, on the x comma y axis two circles are intersecting to each other, where the first circle is center point is C1 and second circle center point is C2, where the both circles are intersected and P comma Q. And same way here once observe here P comma Q is the center points of the both circle intersected, right? Here T1 and T2 is the tangents of the both these circles. Whenever the both circles are intersected, and T1, T2 is the tangents of the circles. Tangents of the circles. Right? Here, once observe here properly, the both circles are intersected, where here intersect point is P comma Q and center point C1 comma C2 and T1, T2. Here given the angle between two intersecting circles is defined as the angle between as the tangents. Tangents is the point of the intersection of the two circles. Here two circles T1 and P2 is the angle between the circle of the point at P. This is called as the system of the circles. Here P is we are going to find out the between of the angle is P. Here given clearly angle between of the tangents. This is the tangent. This is the tangent of the second circle. This is one more tangent of the first circle. Here make a angle between the two circles a P. This is angle theta. Assume that this theta. This is called as a define of the circles. Here T1 and T2 is angle between of the circles of the P. Yes. Here this P is make some much of angle. The angle is we are going to find. Then here system of the circle is set to the clearly. The system of the circle is set clearly properly. And then the two circles have intersected the intersect of the points and the tangents of the circle E1 and E2, the both tangents of the circles. We are going to find the distance the between to the theta is make an angle of the between to the tangents of T1 and T2. This is a system of the circle is set. This what is the set to the clearly will be discussed whenever the given the point is the circles C1 and C2, the center point of the circle, the two circles each other, and here the angle of the between, once again remember the angle of the between tangent T1 and tangent T2. This is we are going to find out the angle whenever the given first tangent of the second circle and second tangent of the second circle. We make a angle theta. This is called as the system of the circle as said clearly the angle between to the tangents of the point intersecting of two circles. So this is the T1, P2 and the angle between to the circle of yet P. Here P is the center of the between to the point. Next one will be discussed one small theorem. This theorem is very important theorem, but very easy will be defined. As C1 and C2 are the center of the intersecting circles. This is the question number 1. In this topic, C1, C2 are the center of the intersecting circles. Is nothing but two circles is intersecting. Here C1, C2 is the center of the points of the both circles. Right. Next, second one is D equal to C1, C2. Where this C1 and C2, this C1 and C2, this difference, this is the distance between C1, C2 is the distance between is the D is the diameter. D is the distance between two C1, C2 is the diameter. Where third condition is R1, R2 are the radius. R1, R2. This is the R1, this is the R2. The both are the radius of the each circles. These are first circle. These are first circle radius is R1. Second circle radius is R2. Same way. Here theta is the angle between two circles. Where is the theta? This is the theta. The theta is the angle between two circles. So we will be discuss one by one how we are going to define this first question. Here C1 and C2 are the center of this intersecting circles. This is the first point. Where in this diagram, these are first circle, these are second circle. The both circles are intersecting to each other. The both circles are intersecting each other, right? Where C1 and C2 are the tangents of center of the intersecting circles, right? These are first circle, these are second circle. where this first point, this center point is called as a C1, and second one, the second circle of the center point is called as a C2. Clear? This is a first question. Second one is D equal to C1 and C2. We are especially here. These are center of the point is the first circle and the center of the point of the second circle. These both distance is called as a D, is nothing but diameter. We call as a C1, C2 is nothing but diameter of the both circles, center circle lines. Right? Next, third one is R1, R2 the radius, where the C1, the center point to on the circle is lying. This is what called as the first one is radius R1, and second also is called as a radius R2, where these are theta is make a angle. These are theta is make a angle. Now we are going to find out this one theta. Right? Clear? So first one is this theta, this T1 and T2. T1, T2 is nothing but here especially tangents of the circles. How do we are find out here tangents? Once listen here. These are tangents. We know that what is a tangent? Tangents is nothing but what is a, these are extend up to here. We'll get one tangent. Tangent is nothing but exactly touches the one point of the circle. This called as a tangents. The same way these are one more tangents for the first circle. So this one is the second set of this tangents, second set of the circle the tangents. These are first circle the tangents. Right? Here, once observe here, these two tangents intersecting like here is make angle theta. These two circles intersecting angle here make a angle theta. Right here, T1, T2 is the tangents of these two intersecting circles. Right? Angle T1, P, T2. Angle T1, these are P. These are P. Angle T1 and P, T2 is nothing but theta. Is nothing but also the theta. Understand? Right? Here, angle CPC2. Angle CPC2. These are angle. Angle CPC2. Here equal to, same way similarly. Right? Here, angle C1P. Angle C1P. T2, this one. Once observe here, angle C1PC2, angle C1PC2 equal to this one. This angle equal to angle C1PT2 plus angle T1, angle T2 PC2. This angle plus this angle. The both angles. Once observe here, angle C1 P C2 equal to next here angle C1 P T2 plus angle T2 P C2. This equal, right? Therefore here this what is the angle? This one here this angle is make a angle theta. Is nothing but 90 degrees here. What is the angle? This is a 90 degree. This is a right angle triangle. This triangle is right angle triangle. We make angle 90 degrees. 90 plus, and one more triangle is angle. Once observe here, this angle is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. This angle is 90 minus theta. This angle is 90 minus theta. Will get 180 minus theta. Observe, understand? So very easy understand this one, these two circles, whenever the both circles are intersecting, how to make an angle is, we are going to find out. This is easy. Thus here T1 is the first tangents of the circle, next T2 is the first and second tangents of the circle, where similarly C1 and C2 is the both the circles of center points, where here this C1 to up to C2 is the distance between the diameter, where here the C1 angle C1 and P C2 will make a sum much of angle. Right? This angle is, we are divided into two angles, right? Angle C1P C2 equal to angle C1P T2. Angle C1P T2 is nothing but make angle is 90 degrees plus here T2P C2 is nothing but so much of angle is making here. Therefore, this angle is 90 minus theta. What is this? This angle is 90 minus theta. Right here, therefore, angle C1P C2 equal to angle C1P T2 plus angle T2P C2. Right? Here this angle is 90 degrees, substitute here, and same way 90 minus theta here, substitute both that, right? You will get is 180 minus theta. Once observe here, this very crucial point here, we are going to define this R1 R2 is Radius, the theta is angle between two circles is triangle C1PC2 and triangle C1PC2. This is the C1PC2 equal to C1P square, C1PC square plus C2P square minus, listen here, triangle C1PC2 equal to C1P square plus C2P square minus 2 into C1P and C2P cos theta. T1 P2 cos theta, where cos theta into P1 and P2, C1PC2. I hope you understand this one. Clear here? Here once listen, C1, this one C1, C2 whole square, C1, this one C1, C2 whole square, where C1P whole square, C2P whole square, minus 2 into C1P and C2P into cos angle C1PC2, angle C1PC2. Where here we know that what is the C1C2? What is the C1C2? C1C2 distance is already we have discussed, first one. What is the C1C2? This is a diameter. We are substituting here d square equal to where C1P. What is the C1P? R1 square. Similarly C2 is nothing but R2 square minus 2 into here 2 into C1P, C2P. 2 into C1P is nothing but R1. C2 is C2P is nothing but R2. Therefore cos theta into angle C1PC2. Angle C1PC2 is not made, angle is 180 minus theta. Already we have got the here C1PC2 180 minus theta. So you are substitute here cos of 180 minus theta. We'll get what is the cos of 180 minus theta? We'll get cos theta. Clear? Right, next we will be discuss once again C1C2 whole square equal to C1P whole square plus C2P whole square minus 2 C1P into C2P into cos of 180 minus theta. Where cos of 180 minus theta is nothing but we know that these are cos theta. So these are second quadrant cos theta, right? D square, the all values were substitute here. Already we know that D1, C1, C2 equal to D. Next to C1P equal to R1. Next to C2P equal to R2. Next one is, so where this angle is 180 minus theta. Therefore C1, these all values are we are substituting in this equation. We'll get D square equal to R1 square plus R2 square minus 2 into R1 R2 cos of 180 minus theta. So one cos of 180 minus theta is nothing but this is the second quadrant. We'll get cos theta. Therefore cos theta here R1 R2 these two R1 square plus R2 square these two values transposed to the LHS side will get cos theta equal to finally D square minus R1 square plus minus R2 square divided by 2 R1 R2. So these are final angle is between these two tangents. Therefore here theta equal to cos inverse of D square minus R1 square minus R2 square where 2 R1 R2. This is the angle between the two circles. Once again we'll remember this briefly. This is a very important of the theorem, especially and easy we are analyzed. Where here given this is C1 C2 are the center of the intersecting of the circles. C1 and C2 is the both are center point of the two intersecting circles, right? And the second is D equal to C1 and C2. Third one is R1 equal to R2 are the radius. The same way as the theta is the angle between two circles. Here this theta is nothing but to make a angle of whenever the two circles of tangents intersecting. The two circles of angles two intersecting is nothing but like here. Once observe here where this is the circles. The two circles, assume that the two circles is center point is this is a C1, this is a C2. Is it clear? Right? This C1 C2 is distance is nothing but diameter. The C1 C2 is nothing but diameter D. Where here these are, once listen here, these two circles intersecting point is P. Two circles intersecting point is P. Right here. Therefore the join this one, the intersecting point and this one. Why? Because this one make a R1, this make a R2. Why? Because here C1P is nothing but R1, the C2P is nothing but R2. where from this we second circle we are drawing one tangents like these are tangents, and one more tangents we are drawing a first circle like these one more tangents. These are T1, these are T2. Understand? I hope these tangents are we are action to upside like this is the theta angle. So this is the between two circles of the tangents between this theta is called as a angle, right? Now actually we are going to find from this one theta. Actually clear here. This one C1P C2. C1P C2 equal to C1P C2 equal to some much of angle. That angle is we don't know, we are going to find out. C1P C2. This angle is we don't know, right? Next here C1P C2 some much of angle, right? This one is we are defined as C1P C2 equal to C1P T2. Why? Because these are right angle triangle. Since make a angle is 90 degrees. Same way T2P C2. These are C2. T2P C2. This angle is make a angle is 180 minus theta. This angle is make a angle is sorry 180 minus theta, 90 minus theta. Therefore, C1P C2 equal to C1P T2 plus T2P C2 is nothing but 90 plus 90 minus theta. 90 plus 90 minus theta will get 180 minus theta. Therefore C1 C2 whole square equal to C1 C2 whole square equal to why? Because this is the squaring of the diameter of the both these circles. Therefore, C1P whole square plus C2P whole square minus 2C1P into C2P cos of 180 minus theta. Already we get this 180 minus theta. Why? These are angle already we get 180 minus theta. So we are apply here. Already we know that all angles C1 C2 equal to D and C1P equal to R1, C2P equal to R2. These all angles values are we are substituting in this equation. We'll get D square equal to plus R1 square plus R2 square minus 2R1 R2 cos of 180 minus theta. Where cos of 180 minus theta is nothing but second quadrant, we will get cos theta. Therefore, R1 square plus R2 square, we have transposed the LHS side, we will get D square minus R1 square minus R2 square. Clear? Where this one is, once observe here, this minus value is there. This one, we have transposed this side, we will get R1 square plus R2 square minus D square, where he has defined as this cos theta equal to D square minus R1 square minus R2 square divided by 2R1 R2. This is the final answer. We'll get it. Where here we are taking minus is a common. We'll get our value is positive. So this is the cos theta. These are angle of the between of whenever the two circles are intersect into each other, they make it angles of the between of the circle is this one. Next we will discuss one more theorem. These are very very important theorem. I hope this one is system of the circle is dependent by this theorem. Already we have discussed cos theta equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square divided by 2r1 r2. Like this already we have discussed. Similarly, this total theorem is dependent by that formula. How to define? If theta is the angle between the two intersecting circles, where x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 3fy plus c equal to 0, where x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2fy plus c dash equal to 0. Therefore, here C1, C2 be the center of these circles, where this is R1, R2 the radius of the circles. From equation 1, equation 2 is nothing but, here equation 1 is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the first circle equation. Same way, the second circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash equal to 0. This is the second circle. Where here C1. These are C1 is nothing but the first circle radius. This first circle is center point. Same way C2 is nothing but second circle center point. First circle center point is minus g comma minus f. Second circle center point is minus g dash comma minus f dash. Where the first circle radius is r1 equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Same way the second circle radius is r2 equal to root of g1 square plus f1 square minus c. C dash. These are radius of the second circle. Right. Next one. We are going to apply here cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but d square minus r1 square minus r2 square divide by 2r1, r1, r2. This is the theorem we are discussing before, right? Same theorem you are applying here. Therefore, d square is nothing but, listen properly here, d square we are applying here, g1 g dash minus g whole square plus f dash minus f whole square minus g d square plus f square minus c into minus g square plus f square f dash square minus c dash. This is the second circle of the radius, right? We know that second circle of the radius. This is the first circle of the radius. So these are diameter is between two circle of the center point, right? This 2 r1 r2 is nothing but 2 into root of g square plus f square minus c into same similarly root of g1 square plus f1 square minus c dash. This is the second circle of the circle, right? Here, therefore, cos theta equal to, this is nothing but c. Center of the circle rest, c dash is nothing but second circle. Therefore, 2g g dash, 2g g dash, this value. Next one is, this value is 2f f1 dash. We are expect to the fund after. Therefore, divide by root of g1 square plus f square minus c. Next root of g1 square plus f1 square minus c dash. So this is the value of the, whenever the given of the theta is the angle of the between these intersecting of the circles, where these two circles equations. I hope these are understand. These are very important. Right? So given this x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Similarly, x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c1 equal to 0. This is the one more theorem. These are very important. Next will be discuss examples for this topic will be discussed. Here one example will be discussed. This example is the find out the angle between two circles. Here two circles, the equation is given. We are going to find out the two circles between angle. So this first circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 14y plus 20y equal to 0. Same way, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 5y equal to 0. So from this first equation here 4x minus 14y. So we get from this first equation, we will get g equal to 2, f equal to minus 7, c equal to 28. First equation, center points f and g and the c value will get. Same way, similarly, second circle, g dash, f dash, c dash value will get. So already we know that we are going to find out the angle between two circles, but we know that formula is cos theta equal to c dash plus c dash. Here c. Cos theta equal to c plus c dash minus 2g g dash minus 2f f dash divided by root of 2 into root of g square plus f square minus c into root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. These are formula. You know that these all values are we are substituting this formula, will get 1 by 2. So already here cos theta is there. Therefore cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta equal to 1 by 2, where theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. What is the cos inverse of 1 by 2 is nothing but theta equal to how much? 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. So these are best example for the before you are discussing here. This is the best example.